are some examples regarding our sets exercises. So, question 3 on the first list was list all proper subsets of S equals 2, 4, 7, and 9. So, all proper subsets, so those are the subsets which do not contain all the elements. Okay, so let's see. So the first subset that I can write is simply if I don't have anything, right? That's a proper subset. This is the same thing as this, right? Empty. Now, what if I have, which sets would have only one element? So I could have just two. That would be a proper subset. I could have 4. What else? I could have 7, right? I could have 9 alone, and then I can work with the pairs. So if we were to list all the subsets, okay, so all purpose subsets, so let's just list them. So we could have empty, 2, Now remember that we need to open and close the squiggly brackets because that's what it means that we're talking about sets. So we could have 4, 7, 9. Now we can combine 2 by 2, so we can look for pairs. So 2 and 4. We may have another combination which is 2 and 7. We could combine 2 and 9. Now we still have some pairs. We now can combine 4 and 7. 4 and 9. 9, 7 and 9. So we have done all pairs. Now the order here, we're not really caring about the order. 7 and 9 and 9 and 7, they should be the same set, right? They do have the same numbers. We're not really caring about the order here. So now trios. So 2, 4, and 7. 2, 4, 9, 2, 7, and 9. What else? 2, 7, and 9, and 4, 7, 9. Now, if we try to get any other set, we would have 4 elements, or we would have to just change the order. So how many subsets do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 sets. Alright, so another example here. We have A, which is a set of all prime numbers between 20 and 30. B, which is the even numbers between 20 and 30. C, composite numbers between 20 and 30. And D, multiples of 18 between 20 and 30. Now, composite numbers, they are basically what is not prime. For example, 14 is a composite number because we can multiply 2 and 7. Alright, and I don't know, 10 is a composite number because you can multiply 2 and 5. So if a number is not prime, it's a composite number. So first, A, list the elements of each set. So set A. So it's all prime numbers between 20 and 30. So 20 is not prime, 21 is not prime, 22 is not prime, 23 is prime, 24, 25, 26, 27. No, 27 is divisible by, we can divide by 3. 29 is prime, and that's it. So all prime numbers between 20 and 30. Now B, even numbers between 20 and 30. So even, well, so between. So we're not considering 20 and 30. It's just between. We're not including them, are we? So let's see. Even. So 22, 24, 26, and 28. Now C, composite numbers between 20 and 30. So composite, if it's not a prime number, it will be a composite number. So 21, that's 3 times 7, for instance. 22 is 2 times 11, right? 23 is a prime. 24, 2 times 12. And there we go. 26, 25, 26, 27, 28. And that's done because 29 is a prime, inside of our range. Now D, multiples between 18 and multiples of 18 between 20 and 30. Will we have any multiples of 18? Well, multiples of 18. 18 times 1 is 18. 18 times 2 is 36. So neither of those is inside. None of those is inside of our range here. So it's empty. Right? So you could describe like this, or D is empty. Now, so A lists the elements of each set. B, find the number of elements on A. So this would be 2. And number of elements on D. This would be 0. Which of the sets listed are a subset of A? So none, right? Because A, all prime numbers. Here in the listed sets, none of them is a subset of this one. What about a proper subset of C? So proper subsets, if you have two elements here, proper subset, if you have any elements here represented in another set. So for example, set B. Can I make set B out of elements on set C? So I have 22, 24, 26, and 28. So B is a proper subset of C. So B is A. It's not, because I don't have 23 here and I don't have 29. Now D is also a proper subset of C, because empty, I can always get an empty set from another one. I just don't take anything. So B and D would be proper subsets of C. Now, true or false? 23 is an element of C, is a member of C, so that's false, right? We could either describe false or if you were the one who were designing it, you would just cross it. What we're going to say here is false. Number 2, is 27 not a member of A? Yes, true. 25 is a member of B? No, false. And there we go.